Chapter 40. To Kill a Sorcerer. Recap. The story was over, but now it's back, and not to anyone's own accord. Schwally, lost in time. Scott, dead. Teeny used a time duck to find Schwally. I guess a time duck made him appear somewhere. Perhaps. Chapter 41. The Smoke Detector.
Why did the trope have to be fucking spandex? Oh fuck. It's in my butthole.
Why am I trying to lead? I never learned how.
You're looking very good, Archie. You have got very nice legs. Yes, you do, Arch. You've got some excellent legs. And you're looking fine. Nice.
Oh, I love these hearts. If only they were real. And staining my wall with the blood of my actual enemy.
What words? Oh my god. It's okay. It's okay. Just breathe. Oh no. I can't breathe! Oh no!
I do love you, honestly. You're a very, very good listener.
My name is Susie.
I wouldn't tell anyone else about my fanfiction hentai, but you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Susie.
Okay, I'm calm, I'm collected, I'm sexy, I'm injected with many vaccinations. I'm ready to sit here and calm down.
Finally. Oh, if only I got to start that fire.
Who's been putting their coffee in the microwave? Right, I'm going for a whiz, and when I get back, I want my view to own up. I mean it.
Sorry, microwave, you're right.
Self-destruct in 30 seconds.
You don't have to do that. That's not very nice. I'm sorry. Can we cancel it?
Nothing can stop the self-destruct process.
What about one of these buttons? Is it one of these buttons?
Nothing you do will stop the self-destruct
I could be your best friend. Like, there's a space open literally now, just in case.
Nothing you say will stop the self-destruct process.
Look, okay, as long as you don't start counting down, I'm sure it's
30,
fine.
29.
Fire alarm! I am going because of the fire alarm. And I'm allergic to fire.
Fire! Yeah, fire scares me.
Okay. This is going to be harder than I thought.
Hello, I don't think I've met you. You must be Ben, right?
No, my name is Teeny.
I'm pretty sure it's Ben. I'm always right.
I'm sure he knows his own name. I mean, I know my name. It's Susie.
No, my name is Teeny. I just want to find my friend Alex Schwally. Any idea where he went?
I have a sack called Find My Friends.
Just... no. No, just...
Oh, if you're wondering, my name is...
Wasn't wondering...
It's Fiji! Like the water!
You mean the place?
So you said you was looking for someone. Well, good luck for you, because the helping you is what I do. But I can't. So I'll just ask this instead, like, did you start the fire or what?
What? No! I put it out. It went out. Eventually.
If your friend is here, just go to the bloody reception. They'll help you find.
Good call. I'll go now.
Anyway.
Wait, where is the reception?
The reception's that way, my good jolly friend.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
What a lovely young man.
I want him to die.
Wait, so I just walk straight?
Hey guys, you know who started that fire? It was the skinny boy who just left. He went that way. What?
Do you know how bad that is for the environment? Oh, I'll make sure he never does that again.
As you can see, the house is fine.
You! Do you want the planet to burn like this apartment is?
Not the Amazon rainforest, so no.
I'm ignoring you on purpose. Just tell me where the reception
The
is.
environment is something I really care about.
Okay, I'm gonna let you all burn. Bye.
All I wanted to do was watch Jurassic Park while using my new dinosaur dildo.
Calm down.
What the fuck is happening? This is so fucking sick!
Well then. Whoa, sorry man with camera.
Could I trust you with my thoughts, or would you use them all against me? Can you replace my eyes for yours? See what I really look like. I could help you criticize. Looking for a sense of relation. Where do people want me to be? I can't help but cry on vacation. Dressed to unimpress easily. Losing sight again. I'll go ahead and give you your eyes back now. Gone. So what's the point of connecting to anyone? Is a relationship or is it one?
Hello, is this reception?
Yes, you must be Ben.
No.
Yes, is this you?
Yes, but...
Oh, I get it. You're one of those people who like change their names all the time.
no.
Oh, lots of people do it. Don't you even worry about it.
I wasn't going to worry.
All right, so here's your ID
Oh,
card.
sure, I'll be a student.
And you can grab your complimentary hoodie on your way out. Good luck with memology.
Yes, but wait, what? Do I look like a memology student to you?
You can look however you want, even if it's ugly, which, you are.
Thanks. I was wondering if you could help me find someone. I think he is a student here.
Sure. Hello?
Hello?
Can I help you, Ben?
Teeny, and yeah, I'm looking for Alex Schwally.
Really? I know him.
Really?
Yeah, he's your lecturer.
He is?
Yep. Have you gotten your timetable?
Nope.
Well, I've sent you an email, and it'll tell you literally everything you need to know. And you can just go meet him at some point.
Okay, got it. Thank
you.
Yep, that's the one.
Hello, Lucy. How are things going on your end? Nothing suspicious here.
Some schmuck stolen a wallet and I'm trying to get it back.
But this is my wallet.
Oh.
Why am I preparing for a lecture that no one is going to turn up to? This is at 9 AM. Teeny?
Schwally?
How did you get here? Like, what happened?
Instead of making you watch a half-an-hour video, I'll just tell you. So, we killed Malik Blishtar, who in turn sent you back in time, and killed Scott, which was not fun. And then I used a time duck to come and find you. So, here I am, finding you. And it took a total of some sort of minutes, because I don't know how long this video is going to be until I edit it.
That's some deep shit, bruh. Why?
Well, you see, I needed to...
No, why the exposition?
Oh, because...
Never mind. It's good to see you. It's been a while.
Okay, I need your help. I need something to do.
Well, I suppose you've come to the right place.
Well, you're the only person I would consider trusting for some reason, because all the others are dead. And not here.
No, as in here, the university.
Oh. Yeah.
Great! Then you can join!
Oh gosh, I hope nobody watched that video. Oh no, that is my most viewed video. That's depressing.
No, I mean you can enroll here. I'm a lecturer. I found my place. I suppose that's where you can too.
Well, I've got good news for you. I am enrolled here, and I did not have to pay a thing. How convenient, government.
A typical tale told by Teeny. Damn it, there's a B. There's a B?
I'm in your memology class.
E! But there is one thing I should let you know.
What is it?
Hey, Shwally, are you ready for lunch?
Scott?
Do I know you? Hi, I'm Dr. Jonas. Most people just call me Scott. Do you know this moaning child? I'll catch you later, you're clearly busy.
Nope, that's it.
Oh, so you're telling me that Scott died?
Yeah, so how is he alive?
That's strange. Oh, he didn't recognise me either. He told me that he was here as a lecturer for theoretical physics.
So this must be him before he met us?
Yeah, he's so different. You just kind of have to pretend that you don't know him.
Yeah, no, I can't exactly go up to him and be like, hey, nice to see you again. I know how you die. Also, what's the deal with people dying and just coming back again?
Technically, he is dead. Doesn't matter now. That's all I wanted to tell you.
I can do this. I can start now by coming to your lectures. Sounds good.
Okay. See you next Tuesday.
Okay.
You little bitch.
Thank you.